St. Margrethen is a picturesque little community on the Swiss border to Austria, where locals appreciate the pedestrian pace. That changed, however, when 2 new houses sprang up in the space of just 4 days. And witnesses testified to having seen only 4 workmen, with neither a crane nor any other heavy machinery at their disposal for the shell construction. Right now we're doing a wooden facade like the one back there. The plasterer is doing the interior, and then we're almost done. Just the electrics, plumbing and heating, and you can move in. Practically anyone with a little DIY knowledge can build a house like this. And it's all possible thanks to a new material called ECOCELL. Architect Freddy Iseli spent 20 years developing the wood and cardboard composite before it was ready to go into production. Here we have a wall structure and an end profile. It's relatively easy to slot them together, and then your profile is in place. The ECOCELL boards are largely made from paper and are what the walls, ceilings and floors here are made of. The material is light and it provides excellent insulation from the heat and cold. A mineral coating makes the paper fire-resistant and waterproof. The boards are manufactured at the company's production plant. They weigh 10 times less than concrete, which remains the most frequently used construction material worldwide. Because the production of concrete is so energy-intensive, the building sector is responsible for 7% of worldwide CO2 emissions. An ECOCELL factory is far greener, saving the emissions of 10,000 cars per year. The first step is to make honeycombs from the corrugated boards. Then the application of a mineral coating. Then the coated honeycomb structures are placed in a dryer. And finally, they're stuck together to form a composite. And, says the inventor, you don't just have to use recycled paper. Other organic fibers, such as waste coconut oil or palm oil, are also an option. Iseli says the total cost of a house is at least 20% under that for a comparable construction built from conventional materials, also because of the prefabricated elements. Under the sheets over there, we have material for at least 4 houses. We'll be erecting them after the vacation period. And that will be in ECOCELL's hometown Utwil, in a new settlement that's set to be completely energy independent. Fitted with an array of photovoltaic modules, the buildings will produce more energy than they require. Plus, each home comes with an electric car, charged with that excess power. You don't need an architect to build your own ECOCELL home. The modular system allows you to design one yourself. Submit a photo of the model and wait for delivery of the components. Freddy Iseli dreamt up the system for the sake of the environment, but is now also negotiating with the Swiss and German governments about refugee shelters made from ECOCELL. He says the super-light material is ideal for crisis zones. The idea is for us to develop a rapid construction system that enables the production of several thousand apartments a year. And refugees could themselves work directly in production, or at the assembly end, of course. Over in St. Margrethen, the ECOCELL boards are now being plastered over with environmentally friendly mud and chopped straw, similar to huts built thousands of years ago.